6-year 100,000-mile Jaguar Approved Zero Deductible Certified Warranty until January 30, 2023. 5-year and 60,000 covered maintenance too. This all-wheel drive SHA is equipped with InControl Touch Navigation System Incorporated, SD card-based mapping navigation system, voice control, InControl Apps, which enables use of optimized third-party smartphone apps installed on a phone through the vehicle's touchscreen, cold climate package incorporated, heated steering wheel, soft grain leather steering wheel with Jaguar Sequential Shift paddles and remote controls for audio, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless technology and JaguarVoice, heated front seats, heated front windshield, heated washer jets and SIRIUSXM satellite radio too. Client courtesy vehicle washed and vacuumed on a daily basis and serviced by Jaguar standards. If a wheel was curbed, it was repaired, a scratch wasn't touched up, the panel was painted, no expense spared in making this Jaguar perfect. Hurry in.